Hello everybody, welcome to astraeakeva. I'm Ao. This is day 199 of my 365 days of art, and I did another painting of a male character. I named him Jay. In this particular painting, I decided to just stick to my current color scheme. I actually enjoy this new color scheme more than anything, simply because it's something I always wanted to paint, and so I'm just going to stick with it. The entire painting process was quite fun. Lately, I haven't been stressing as much as I did in the past. In the past, I stressed a lot about how my art would turn out, and it needs to turn out perfectly, and all these thoughts are running through my mind. But now I'm more content, and I'm actually able to do other stuff while I'm painting, like watching Netflix drama or a podcast in the background. I feel as though lately I haven't been running into any problems. I think maybe with time things might get hectic, especially if I get to the end of my 365 days of art. There might be some sort of, I'm trying to find the word, I might feel tired at the end of that, but for now I don't have any negative thoughts or problems, basically. Yeah, I am enjoying my entire art process. I've really come far. So the reason why I really want to keep sharing my art process with everybody is so that I can encourage other artists to keep chasing after what they want to do, but do it wisely. Especially in the beginning, I was just doing art for the sake of doing art, but now it's more of I keep looking back, keep evaluating my artwork. I keep changing things that need to be changed in order to achieve that the art pieces that I want to create. So that is all I wanted to talk about today. I don't actually have much to say other than that. So if you like this sort of content, please feel free to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I would like to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. It's in 2 months. And if you'd like to get some of my prints, you can get them on InPrint or ArtStation. And yeah, that is all for today. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a fantastic day, buddy. Bye-bye.